Now, this is the part that we need to practically invent something, we need to practically discover something into this particular project. So far, we had seen that each and every components, those been used over here, like this slider panel, this menu bar content, those tab pens over here, there goes the tab pen, this gallery or this kind of grid sectionalization. Everything was detailed into this material CSS official website, and all we did, we just copied and pasted them into our project. But this is the first time that we need to innovate, we need to create something, we need to implement them into our project in an order to find something useful like this one. There it goes. This is the project that we had created in our previous occasion, and this is known as feature discovery content of materialized CSS. You can see that this is known as the feature discovery content, and the exact same thing has been implemented over here. On clicking this particular case, we can see that from this extreme left, a particular box is popping out where we can write something over here, and we may provide a little bit of info about that particular page. So this is known as feature discovery of a particular materialized page, and we are going to implement it into our project. So how to do so? In this particular case, first of all, let's go through exactly that been depicted into their official website, and then we will be modifying it with our project, with our implementation into this particular project. So in the very first case, all we can do, we can first of all copy this thing from here. Let's get back to our project. Here we can see that we have already built this particular feature discovery block here, and inside all we are going to do, we are going to paste it. Now in this particular case, all we can see that we have copied all these elements from this particular materialized CSS official website. This is the link item over here, and this is the content item, content block that has been created over here. So if we leave it up to this far and press Ctrl S and get back to our project and reload, we can see that something is been created over here, on clicking which we can see that nothing is practically occurring over here. So in the next case, we need to make that initialization. So that is why we will be getting back to the materialize website, and here this is the initialization process where we will be using this particular jQuery here. So all we need to do now, we need to copy it, and then we need to get back to our project, and right beneath this particular tab initialization that we had done in our previous video tutorial, we are going to paste it. So that's it. We have done up to this far. Now if we press Ctrl S and get back to our project and reload, we will see a little bit of discrepancy. First of all, there goes an additional space that has been added to this particular page. This is due to the fact we have created this tab target content into our project, and right now it is not getting visible, but it is taking the space up to this particular part, and that is why it is now added to our page, which is practically visibly hidden, but in fact it is taking the space at the bottom of this particular page. So up to this far, if we just click onto it, still we will be seeing that nothing is occurring right over here. No changes are taking place, or no change is taking place. This is the part that we need to innovate over here.